Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like notebook theme video on CapCut PC. So select your video, and I'm just going to kind of make it smaller so you guys can see the background. Select canvas, which is down here, so scroll it first if you can't find it, and then select this like arrow and then choose style. And then you can choose like a paper lined, like download like a lined paper, picture, but I'm just going to use this one from CapCut, which is basically like a grid paper. So sorry. And I'm just going to adjust it like so. I'm also going to go to library and I'm going to add in a white background below that, so maybe add the background to the white image instead. Let me just do this first actually. So let's go up here and mask it into like a square, so it's like a frame kind of. You want to make it super thin too, like the outside of it. Then I'm just going to select both, right click, and then create compound clip, and then I will add in the background. Sorry about that. Where is it? There you go. Then after that, on the video, I'm going to select effects and I'm going to select texture, and I'm just going to choose like a print or like this like old picture. You can choose any texture you want for the like paper, something like that. You can even add that on like later, but I'm just going to add, let's see, which one do I want to add? This one. And you're just going to put it on top of everything else later. For instance, you want to add a text, add in the text, but add the text below the texture. So for instance here, I'm just going to type in weekly, and I'm going to also change the font to like a like a notebook type of thing, magazine, and then I'm just also going to change the color of it to like pink, maybe something like that. Just move it. You can then also go to stickers and add in any stickers that you want on here. Maybe the ones that are like sketched, but these ones, okay, choose the ones that are in like a dark color so you guys can see it. Oh, I just realized the cat is farting. Maybe let's choose another one like this, for instance, and just add it to the image. You can use other stickers if you want, like these two, but make sure the texture is like above everything again. Maybe like this frame one. It is totally up to you which one you want to choose, but that is, oh, these ones will work perfect for this because these are stickers. So just add them in to the image like so. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Oops. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!